Welcome to Animal Fandom TV. Have you ever wondered if all bees make honey? It's a question that buzzes around in the minds of many. You might picture a bee buzzing from flower to flower, diligently collecting nectar, but do all bees produce honey? Let's dive into this sweet mystery. Not all bees make honey, and here's why. While it's true that honeybees, those familiar striped creatures we often see hovering around flowers, are famous for their honey-making abilities, they're not the only type of bee out there. Honeybees are just one species in a vast world of bees. These industrious little insects gather nectar, turn it into honey, and store it in their hives to sustain their colony during colder months when flowers aren't in bloom. However, not all bees are so focused on creating honey. For example, many species of solitary bees, like the carpenter bee, don't produce honey at all. These bees don't live in large colonies like honeybees. Instead, they create individual nests where they lay eggs and store food for their larvae. But it's not in the form of honey. They gather nectar and pollen, but primarily to feed their offspring, not to create the honey we know and love. Then, there are the bumblebees, another well-known group. While bumblebees do make honey, their production is much smaller scale compared to honeybees. They create just enough honey to survive through the winter, unlike honeybees, which produce large quantities to last through the seasons. So, in summary, only certain bees, like the honeybee, are dedicated honeymakers. Most bees play a vital role in pollination and food gathering, but they don't engage in honey production. Nature has made each bee species uniquely adapted to its environment and needs. Now that we've cleared up this buzzing question, what do you think? Have you encountered any other fascinating facts about bees? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Animal Fandom TV. And if you're curious to learn more about the wonders of bees and other amazing animal life forms, check out our next video. You won't want to miss it.